Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect WordPress and Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now for this tutorial, we're going to be going outside of the Shopify website, and we're going to go into this page of this plugin right here. It is the e-commerce plugin for WordPress and Shopify, and you just want to go here, enter your email address, and start a free trial. Once you're done with that, you're going to go over into your WordPress account, which you have connected, and you'll have a new section here where you can click and connect your Shopify and your WordPress pages, and then you can go ahead and import your products once you connect everything. Now there is another alternative. You can go ahead and use any of these free Shopify integration plugins for WordPress. However, they do need a premium plan on WordPress to work, so just make sure you have one, and then you can go ahead and try out any of these. But yeah, in essence, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.